Very good morning to one and all. Hope you all find this pandemic here. Today we are going to discuss about the topic corrosion. Our experiment was about corrosion determination of iron in given rust by sample of pH by using a calorimetry. My team members are P. Girish, P. Deepak, S. Sai Charan, U. Udayavarma, P. Kumar. Getting into the topic, the main definition of the corrosion was the process of deterioration of iron particles in a form of rust by using water molecules or air. We call it as corrosion. Corrosion, the process main was involved in it was oxidation. Oxidation, the iron particles are fastly corroded. In this process, electrolyte acts as a salt. Rusting process is we call as loss of electrons. Water and oxygen and other electrolytes are needed to be trusted involved in rust process. It is a redox reaction. Impact of corrosion, it causes energy and fuel infrastructures, national treasuries, atrophication, and health and safety. Impact of corrosion causes plant shutdowns of valuable resources, loss or contamination of product, reduction in efficiency, costly maintenance, expensive over design. Some examples of given below are due to our rusting process: rusting of steel utensils and iron, rusting of exhaust systems, rusting of bodies of car, rusting of different metal surfaces, rusting of copper utensils, rusting on railway tracks, resting on water pipes, etc. Some examples of pictures have been shared, which are going to discuss about corrosion in industrial pipelines. The way to prevent rust was using mechanical faults like reducing of these, applying oil, applying a dry coating, paint the metal, store properly, galvanization, powder coating, etc. From here, my friend Deepak will continue the process.
Now we are going to discuss about the literature review. Department of Materials and Metallurgical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, which was located in Kanpur in India. The scientists who are research on rusting of iron, they are R. Balasubramaniam, AVR Ramesh Kumar, P. Dilman. Rust is a reddish brown corrosion product of iron consisting of several different conjugations of FeO dot 2H2O. FeOH twice plus half O2 give rise to FeOH thrice. The presence of thick electrolyte layer on the surface R can limit oxygen reduction rate. 8 FeOH plus Fe plus 2 charge plus 2 electrons give rise to 3 Fe3O4 plus 4 H2O. The composition analysis, which extracts that emitted form, the interaction of the electron beam with the surface can be utilized for both qualitative compositional analysis by technique of energy dispersive spectroscopy. From here, the team lead was going to taken by P. Girish.
Okay guys, now entering into the experimentation, it comes in practically. Our team had done this experiment in our chemistry lab with reference of our chemistry sir. Actually, this experiment is about to determine of rust in given rust sample by colorimeter. We done this experiment by using required apparatus like colorimeter, 100 ml of measuring beaker, funnel, distilled water, measuring cylinder, volumetric flask, and rust sample. Now entering into the procedure, we collected the rust sample from the burette tanks and from the mechanical side. Now take 1 gram of rust sample and add 10 ml of concentrated HCl and 10 ml of concentrated HNO3 and 50 ml of distilled water. Now stir the solution completely until the rust dissolves in it. Now take a tissue to filter the rust solution to separate impurities from it. Here we get the pure rust sample solution. Now transfer it into the burette. Here now to determine the content of iron in the rust sample, will explain our dearest friend Sai Charan. Thank you.
Now we are observing about concentration of iron content by using calorimetry. Now we Now we switch on the calorimetry for the experiment. Now we are taking clean blanket wet and fill it with distilled water. 2 to 3 cube clean surrounded of cuvette with tissue and dip into smoother into cuvette holder of calorimetry. Now readings in this panel is adjusted to 0 by the knob and remove the cuvette. Take the rust solution in cuvette and clean the surroundings of cuvette with tissue and insert the cuvette smoothly into cuvette holder of calorimetry. Now we get the reading 2.0049. Okay, now we are going to discuss about results and discussions. While during this experiment, and we know the relationship has been explained by Beer's law, the rusting particles are completely oxidized, and in this process, the particles get loss of electrons. The concentration of rust sample gets at 2.0049. Okay, now my friend Kumar can discuss about the disadvantages of rust sample solution.
So my friends are tells about experiment of rusting. The next disadvantage of rusting. Rusting is a process of completely ore. It have a highly disadvantage are there. Rusting is a decreasing of content of iron mass. It is to the prevent of iron particles to the coating with applying oils or paints. Conclusion. It concludes that iron particles are rusted due to the atmosphere and mainly oxide. In this experiment, we are taken rust sample in order to calorimetry. Tells about a concentration of sample which is present in rust. Even it is oxidized, same part of iron indicate like porous. According to literature, rust can be found by the different methods like X-ray and diffraction by using spectroscopy. It helps to find the rust of iron. Reference. Previous review article or can be IIT Kanpur Department of Materials and Metallurgy Engineering. And contribution of team members. P. Deepak and Uday Verma tells about reduction and literature review. Then another two persons, P. Girish and S. tells about experimentation and discuss result. Finally, this is Kumar tells about conclusion and reference of rusting. Thank you, golden opportunity for